Are you looking for a craft storage solution? Have you been searching for a place you can do crafts or sewing and then be able to close up the cabinet and have it look like a normal piece of furniture? If that's the case, this video is for you. Hello, my quilting friends. My name is Leah Day, and I am a professional quilter and machine dealer, and I have just built the Dreambox Center. Now, the Dreambox Center is the center cabinet of the Dreambox with simpler doors. These are just single panel doors that you can attach different accessories to if you want to. Like I have added the pegboards here. And you can bling it up as much as you want, but there's less storage in this version and it takes up a smaller footprint. I decided to set it up this way just to start, and the great thing is there's an upgrade path. So I can upgrade and add the longer crown and the wider doors anytime. What I love about the Dreambox Center is there is so much storage space. Now, I found I could store my entire collection of Aurifil thread in one large tote. And these totes are designed to fit into the Dreambox Center perfectly. As you can see, I did the large totes here up top. I can fit the medium-sized tote and a small tote side by side. And then I did a row of 3 small totes here in the middle. That's just what worked for me because I really wanted to have quick access to things like my pens, my markers, that kind of thing. What I love is how much I can put in these medium-sized totes. Here I'm storing the half-size jelly rolls. They're like 20 strips each. And I have got, 8 of them in one tote. This was taking up a lot more space in bins in my closet, and it's so much more efficient to have them stored in these totes instead. I found I could fit up to 40 fat quarters of fabric. Now you do need to have these nicely folded, but 40 fat quarters per tote is incredible. So I love that I have all of the storage now set up, nicely arranged, and then it's time for crafting, and that brings in our fold-out table. Now this fold-out table can support anything up to 50 pounds, which means you can use the Little Rebel sewing machine on this tabletop. The Little Rebel is 28 pounds, and this is pretty much the largest sewing machine you'll probably ever see. Do pay attention if you're using a very large, very heavy embroidery machine. Double check on the weight because you don't want to go over 50 pounds on the Dreambox Center table. Now let's check out the lower storage. I've set up my Dreambox with large totes on the left filled with layer cakes and charm squares. I was a little concerned about the weight of these precuts, so I emailed Create Room and learned the large totes can handle up to 15 pounds. I found this fit nicely with 4 precut layer cake packs along with a narrow package strip set. These combined were less than 6 pounds, so you're good to go there. The large totes can also fit 20 to 24 charm packs, so lots of precut storage here. The open area on the bottom of the Dreambox Center is perfect for storing small to medium-sized sewing machines. For example, a Singer heavyweight machine can fit perfectly either pushed straight back or rotated and slid in with the hand wheel facing out. You can purchase additional shelves to further organize your Dreambox Center, and I'll probably add this so I can fit large totes to the right as well. The coolest thing about the Dreambox, whether it's the Center or the full Dreambox 3, is how beautiful it looks from the outside. It looks like a normal piece of furniture. You open it up and it's a party inside. We're ready for crafting. I love that. Now I am an affiliate for Dreambox, so definitely check below the video so you can find a link, discount code that can save you a little bit of money on your Dreambox Center. But there are a few downsides I want to mention just so that you know the full ramifications of purchasing a piece this big. Assembly is going to require at least 2 people. You're going to need some help putting this together and standing it upright. I was able to get to step 16 all on my own, but I put together big quilting frames, big pieces of equipment on a regular basis. The delivery can also be a little stressful because it is freight delivery and it comes on a pallet. And some of the boxes can be at or over 100 pounds. Once you get it up right, one of the most important things I think has to be stressed, and that is securing the Dreambox to the wall. There are brackets included with your Dreambox to secure it to the wall and make sure that it is locked in and secured. You do not want this thing falling on you or falling on your kids. So those are really the only downsides that I can see from the Dreambox Center at this point. you are gonna need help. You are gonna need to secure it to the wall, and assembly does take a little bit of time, but it's very, very easy to put together. So I am an affiliate again for Dreambox. Come and check it out. Save a little bit of money on your system in the link below this video. Until next time, let's go quilt.